Hey guys, this is Ms. Webb, and today I'm going to walk you through this week's assignment. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Google Classroom. You are going to find your science teacher, and you're going to pop over to classwork. So this week is you have science task board number 3. So you're going to open your task board first. And then like always, there is one assignment that is given to you and is required. So the first one here is the Weathering, Erosion, and Deposition web quest. So similar to WebQuest that we do in class, this will also have a lot of links for you to click on and go through and answer the questions that follow. So you're going to make a copy. Remember, this copy lives in your Google Drive and it saves automatically. So here's the first one, Shake It Up. You're going to click on this link and it'll take you to a game that you have to play. And then once you come back here, you are going to list the different forms of erosion that you observe. Here's another one. This is like a virtual lab for glaciers. Another one again, erosion. So you're going to go through all the links, answer the questions that follow. So there's 7 of those. And then for number 8, you're going to read a story about finding faults, and you're going to write a short summary, 30 words or less, explaining what you learned about faults. Okay, once you have this one and it's done, you can close out of that. Now you're going to have assignment 2. Remember, you choose one only. This time you only have 2 options. Either you can do a Bill Nye about plate tectonics, or you can be a news anchor. So if you choose to do the Bill Nye, you click on it. Again, it's going to prompt you to make a copy. You're going to watch the Bill Nye video, and then you're going to answer the questions that follow. If you don't want to do that one, if you want to be a news anchor instead, then you can click on this one. Now, if you want to be a news anchor, you can use the knowledge from this script, but you can also use knowledge that you remember from class. So if you remember things from class, if you have notes, you can also use that for your Flipgrid. So what we mean by news anchor is you're telling us about tectonic plates and explaining what you know as if you were a part of the news. And so you're going to record yourself for 90 seconds using a Flipgrid. If you choose to do this one, the Flipgrid will be here. All you have to do is log in with Google and then record your Flipgrid. So if you choose to do the Flipgrid, do the Flipgrid. Otherwise, you will just have your Bill Nye attachment. So I'm going to view assignment. I'm ready to turn my stuff in. Remember, we need to add the stuff. We need to add the stuff to our assignment. So here's how we do that. We're going to do add or create. So we're going to go to Google Drive. That's where things live. So first thing I'm going to turn in is my copy of Weathering, Erosion, and Deposition. And then I'm going to turn in my Bill Nye. Let's say that I did Bill Nye. So here's my Bill Nye. Okay, now I'm going to press turn in. Here's all my assignments. Now, if I ever need to change something that's already been submitted and it's not due yet, or my teacher tells me that I need to correct something, I'm going to unsubmit first. And now all of these documents are accessible to me again. But once I press turn in, I cannot see the document. So if you messed up or need anything, just go ahead and unsubmit, correct your documents, and then turn it back in. Okay, remember this is due April 17th at 5 p.m. Okay, now for office hours. If you are in Mr. Anue's class and need extra help, he goes live from 8:30 to 9 and from 12:30 to 1. I go live at 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. That's for Ms. Webb's class. And for Ms. Dawson, she goes live at 10:30 a.m. and 2 p.m. So if you need any additional assistance at all and want to chat with us online, make sure to join our morning or afternoon Zoom meetings. That is it. Have a great weekend.